may change a meal for a family.
And sometimes it can change their lives.
We believe that giving is better than receiving.
We believe that by engaging in the Food Box Project can transform teenager perspective and make a better society. Today, our topic is
Lending a helping hand.
engaging students through a school food box campaign.
This is our outline. In Taiwan, there are around 260,000 low-income households. The government collaborates with food banks to provide staples for those families, and Angel Charity Association is one of them. Knowing that disadvantaged group not having enough staples motivates us to take actions. Our project aims to raise teenagers willingness to participate in food box program. By doing so, we believe that a small gesture can bring a big impact. Therefore, we can foster a community with academics. In Design for Change, we learned the concept about SDG 2 Zero Hunger. In project implementation, we learned how to turn our ideas into reality and make contributions. And presentation practice prepared us for making a persuasive delivery. From literature review, we learned that the goal of Zero Hunger shows that the food insecurity has caused many deaths. Second, food sharing helps those in need meet basic needs. Moreover, the Angel Charity Association helps those disadvantaged groups buy food boxes. Finally, through play, students can build empathy and pay more attention on social issues.
Here are our research questions. We took both qualitative and quantitative methods to conduct our project. We interviewed with the director of the Angel Charity Association, Tainan, ACA Tainan hereafter. From the interview, we discovered the challenges they face. And we also launched 2 questionnaires. The previous one is to analyze high school students' awareness of food boxes, and the other one is to examine if our stage play increases their awareness. The challenges that ACA Tainan face are first, short in manpower, therefore, much of the work has to rely on a few volunteers to complete. Moreover, there are also a lack of public awareness, hence the promotion on campus can help. Before promotion, 28% of students lack knowledge of food banks, such as ACA. And meanwhile, 54% of students did not participate in food sharing activities consequently. Yet, after our promotion, 89% of students were willing to get involved, and 85% of them thought our stage play was helpful for them to understand how and what they can help. From these charts, we know that 35% of students thought social media is the best way to promote the idea. 30% suggest volunteer work, and 20% recommend lectures. Therefore, we created an Instagram account for promotion and invited ACA Tainan to give a speech at our school to encourage students to join volunteer work. Next, we volunteered with the ACA Tainan. During the sessions, we learned how to assemble, allocate, and pack the boxes efficiently. This experience helps us understand how food sharing works in practice.
We collaborated with the ACA Tainan and signed letter of intent for cooperation. Then we held an on-campus promotion. Our state play introduced the issue of food insecurity and advocated the food care 1-2-3 actions which arouses our perspectives of charging food. And the director of ACA Tainan then gave a speech about food banks and how they help disadvantaged families get basic staples by their food boxes.
We posted food care 1-2-3 to our Instagram and the delivery process of food boxes to enhance the visibility and hope to spread the concept beyond our school to a wider audience.
We launched a one-day happiness donation campaign. Each class received a donation box, a poster, and the record sheets for tracking their efforts of cherishing food. And our principal and teachers also engaged in this campaign. Finally, the donated food boxes were sent to the ACA Tainan. As a result, we collected about 185 food items and supported at least 100 families, according to the reports from ACA Tainan. We continually practice food care 1-2-3 actions. 1 represents 1 value to cherish. 2 represents 2 actions to take, and 3 represents 3 contemplations before purchasing. In conclusion, we realize that increasing the visibility of organizations like ACA Thailand is not easy. However, through our promotions, we successfully raised students' willingness to engage. This project has led us to reach the importance of caring for those in need and bring positive impact. Actions!
Speak louder than words.
These are references.
Thank you.